Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. Welcome, of course, to Chapter 6. And I wanted to do a brief introduction before jumping into the PowerPoint for Chapter 6 because Chapter 6 has a lot of great information. I'm really just touching the surface in regards to culture and identity from the perspective of the importance of it in society. There's a lot of great information in here, and I'm going to encourage you to look through the textbook and really understand some of the details of culture, but just applying one chapter to it is not going to do it justice. But I really have enjoyed reading the Flat World textbook. There's a lot of great information in here. Another really cool thing is when you're digging in to this chapter or any other chapter, you can actually see where they're referencing things. We've worked on references a lot, and you can see how they do so in a textbook. But there's a lot of great information in here. Some history, and then also some different sections which talks about different ideologies, diversity training. You hear DEI as a major thing in a lot of different organizations today. So it talks about the importance of it, the differences, of course, in race, and then some of the development over the years, which is really important to understand and to get to know. And we really don't spend a ton of time exploring as we should this content because it's so deep and it could take an entire class. You could take this one chapter and do an entire class on it and you still would only be touching the surface. So I just want to make sure that you understand that and you take it seriously and don't just skim through it because there's a lot of great information in here. And another really cool thing, which I think I mentioned before in another video, but I haven't shown you, there are videos in the textbook, and you can actually take a look at it from the perspective of, what they're trying to discuss. This has to do with Native Americans on race, which is really interesting. I watched it, I think, last year. So if you're interested, feel free to take a look at the videos in here too. So there's a lot of great information in here, and I don't want to brush by it without you understanding how important it is. So just look through it, and I'm hoping that you have a chance to read all the way through it because I think you'll get a lot out of it and have a better understanding. Another feature that you can look at, and I have the recorder move, so I'll push it over here, is the audiobook. I've been using the audiobook actually on the way to work to listen to the textbook. Really great way to do that. I use it when I'm, of course, driving safely because I have hands-free, and it works really, really good. So if that's something that you can do, maybe it works for you. Maybe you learn that way. I learn better on audiobook than I do just reading textbook. So if that's something that interests you, you can also use that. So I wanted to give an intro to the importance of the chapter. The next video is just going to give an overview of the PowerPoint and kind of give you key facts, but it really just brushes the surface. So I want you to understand how important this is. And if you need anything, of course, from me, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you in any way. Keep up the great work. We're wrapping up this class, and only a few weeks left. Looking forward to watching you guys get a great grade on your final. Thanks.